The subject of this video is Microsoft Forms. Forms is an application that allows you to create forms for polls, surveys, or data collection. It comes with several templates that you can edit and reuse and simplify. Let's select one. So once you've selected a template, you have the ability to move the questions around, make changes, edit text. You can see that it's saved. Let's go to settings. So in settings, you can specify how long the form will be active. You can specify if one response per person. Record the name. You can also specify who gets to see the form, and here's for sharing. So you can share the form. And that little tab allows you to move the questions around so you can reorganize them. So this is a fairly simple application for creating forms, polls, surveys, and data collection. Power Apps is the next step above. That'll be a separate video. Here's a form I created for travel. Let's create one. So you have your different text fields, choice, text, rating, images, dates. Click on choice. Let's create a form that asks about where you get your coffee in the morning. So I know in the States it's Dunkin' Donuts, in Canada it's Tim Hortons. And I guess there's a Starbucks everywhere. We also have a local coffee shop that I go to, excellent coffee. I take mine with a bit of cream and other. And let's make it required. Let's create another field. Where do you buy your coffee? Starbucks. Let's see, Dunkin' Donuts. And then there's Tim Hortons. And then there could be your local coffee shop. Ours is called the Red Bulb. Make it required. Click Save. Give it a title and a description. I think morning coffee is important. That's it. It's saving automatically for you. So you can do a preview. Now, we haven't entered any surveys yet, so there won't be much information for analysis. But after you've had, a few dozen entries, you'll have an analysis, you'll have the charts to get a sense around stats on what you're looking for. So it's a great tool set, and it's very simple to deploy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.